Children, welcome back to your EVS class. In that, children, today I am going to teach you a new lesson, that is lesson number 4.2, Animal Search. Okay, in a previous class you have learnt about the animals, that is wild animals and domestic animals. Today let us learn about the birds, water animals and reptiles. Okay. Now see here, children, let us learn about the birds. Everybody, have you seen the birds? Is it not, children? There are many types of birds. They fly in the air. Now this is a crow, children. Now all the birds have two legs. See here, children, this is a crow. It is having two legs, the feathers on the body and a beak. Is it not? Now this is also a sparrow. This is having two legs, a beak and feathers on its body. Okay. What does the feathers do, children? Feathers help the body of the birds to keep them warm. All the birds have feathers and two legs. Okay. And a beak. This is a eagle. You see here, children, it is having the feathers. Okay. Now this is a cock. There are beautiful feathers on its body. See here, children, how beautiful is the cock. It is having the beautiful feathers. Okay. Now owl, it is also having the feathers and two legs. Now everybody likes to see the parrot. Is it not, children? What is the color of the beak of the parrot, children? It is red in color. The beak of the parrot is red in color. Is it not, children? Now, how do the birds fly, children? The birds fly with its wings. Birds have two wings, children, which help them to fly up in the air. Birds have two wings. Okay. Now, how do the birds eat? Birds eat with their beak. Now, see here, children, this is a chick. How it is eating? It is eating with its beak. Okay. Now, some birds give us eggs. See here, children, this is a hen. Now, it gives us eggs. Everybody likes to eat eggs, is it not, children? Hen gives us eggs. Okay. Now, see here, this is a bird. How it is flying? It is flying with its wings. Okay. Now, these are feathers. What are these, children? These are feathers. What do the feathers do, children? They help the birds to keep their body warm. Feathers helps the birds to keep them warm. Now next we will go to the water animals. Okay. Now where do the water animals? These water animals lives in water. There are, see here, this is a dolphin. What is it doing, children? It is swimming in water. Water animals live in water. Now this is a dolphin. Next one, this is a shark. Even it is swimming in the water. Okay. Now what is this, children? This is a seahorse. Its head looks like a horse, so its name is a seahorse. It lives in water. Okay. Now fish. This is a colorful and a beautiful fish. Okay. Now what is this, children? This is a blue whale. Do you know what is the? It is a world's largest water animal. Blue whale is the world's largest water animal. Okay. Now this is a octopus. It has 8 arms. Octopus has 8 arms. Okay. Now next we will go to the reptiles. Next we will go to the reptiles. Which are the reptiles, children? Do you know? Tortoise, lizard, snake, frog. These are all reptiles. Now, reptiles have rough skin, children. Reptiles have rough skin, and some reptiles live on land and some in water. See here, this is tortoise. It can live on land and in water also. This is a kind of a reptile. Next is a snake. Is it not? What is this, children? This is a snake. Now next one, this is a lizard. At home you all can see the lizard. Is it not, children? Everybody will be scared of that. This is a lizard. This is a kind of a reptile. Okay. Now this is alligator, which lives in water and in land, on in land. Okay. This crocodile, it is swimming in water. Okay, this is a crocodile where it is swimming in the water. Now next we'll go to the insects. These insects we can see around our houses. Which are the insects? Can you guess, children? Ant, housefly, dragonfly, butterfly, cockroach, honeybee, spider. These are all called insects. Some insects have 6 legs, children. Some insects have 6 legs, and some insects can fly also. This is a beautiful butterfly. It can fly. It has 4 wings, children. Okay, butterfly has 4 wings. It can fly with that. Now this is a fly. It has wings to fly. Okay, this is a house fly. It can fly. Now spider. It has how many legs here, children? It has 8 legs. Okay, spider. This is also an insect. Okay. Now cockroach. Cockroach has 6 legs. See here, children. This is a cockroach. This is also an insect. Now honeybee. See here, children. How is it? Honeybee. This is also an insect. Okay. This is a grasshopper. Next one is the ant. Ant. Now today you all have learned about the birds, water animals, reptiles, insects. Is it not, children? Now you are at home. You all read the lesson. Okay. Thank you.